Hey foodies, welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing pineapple jerk pork shoulder recipe. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start by marinating the pork. Here I have some pork shoulder already washed, and I went ahead and blended up some pineapple, and I blend it kind of like into like a puree but watery, because you want it, to a watery texture so the pork can soak nicely in there and be well marinated. I also have some jerk seasoning, homemade burnt sugar. You can use browning if you like. I have some garlic and onion powder, black pepper, seasoned salt, bouillon, paprika, and some sazon. So what I did was just go ahead and add all the ingredients to the juice, and I mix well to combine. This will be used as the marinade, like I said, for that pork. Once you're done, you want to add it to the pork and make sure the pork is well saturated. But what I did first was go in with a knife and poke some holes throughout the pork so that the marinade can seep through and the pork can be absolutely amazing. Once you're done with this process, of course you want to allow this to sit and marinate overnight. You'll get the best results. Now fast forward to the next day. I did allow my pork to come up to room temperature before placing it into a baking dish cover and place it into a 350-degree oven for about 2.5 hours. Now the time may vary depending on the size and the age of your pork. Mine was very small, so it did not take a long time. It was nice and tender after 2.5 hours. I did pour the juices off to make a gravy and then place it back into the oven on broil for about 5 minutes so it can brown up nicely. After I poured the juices into a saucepan, I added some ketchup, allow it to come up to a boil, and then I added some cornstarch to thicken. Listen, this gravy was so very well seasoned, you didn't need anything else. Maybe just a pinch of sugar if you want to add that, and that's it. It was nice and delicious, and what I did was just remove it from the heat and set it aside. And here you have it, my version of pineapple jerk pork shoulder. When I tell you this was amazing, it's an understatement. The pork was so moist, tender, and literally melting in your mouth. And I did serve it with some rice and peas, a fresh salad, and some fried ripe plantains. That bring it together perfectly, and I can't wait for you guys to try the recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients and measurements in the caption or the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.